More than 600 kilometers from Conakry, Kankan, the capital of Upper Guinea, located in the northeast of the Republic of Guinea, the administrative region of Kankan covers an area of 11,564 square kilometers for an estimated population of over 2 million residents. This part of the country has always faced many health problems and epidemics. Measles and meningitis strain A are among the diseases that still persist in this region, sometimes leading to death. To stop the spread of these two deadly and highly contagious diseases, the Health and Sustainable Development Foundation and its Center of Excellence for Training and Research on Priority Diseases in Guinea are working to help improve the efficiency of an integrated campaign against measles and meningitis through collaborated planning.
Le but, c'est aider les autorités, les décideurs.
The goal is to help the authorities, the decision makers at the national level and all the partners, including from outside the country, to better understand these constraints and these enabling factors so that we can be able to better reach integrated campaign efficiency. So instead of undertaking separate campaigns, the advantage of such an integrated campaign really saves money in implementation and also in terms of the impact of the communities that could otherwise be affected only once.
Que représentent les communautés qui vont être touchées une seule fois.
Oui, ça fait de l'objet de dialogue, l'objet
This is the subject of maintaining dialogue, working together through validation workshops at the highest level, through the Interagency Coordination Committee, which is chaired by His Excellency the Minister of Health, within which the committee, the partners at headquarters and all stakeholders at government level, the civil society and all the NGOs working in the health sector, these documents have been validated with the support of partners.
N'est-ce pas, qui évolue dans le domaine de la santé. Et ces documents ont été validés, n'est-ce pas, avec l'appui des partenaires.
C'est l'occasion pour moi aussi de remercier toutes les autorités sanitaires.
This is also an opportunity for me to thank the health authorities of this country, the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Decentralization, the Ministry of Planning, but also the partners who were involved in this study. In particular, the National Coordination of the Expanded Immunization Program, the Support Unit for the Management and Coordination of Programs within the Ministry of Health, but also the HCE, which financed the study that allowed us to carry out the field work in this case study.
In order to ensure the constant protection of future generations, the technical and financial partners are supporting the health authorities of the Kankan region, which is in the meningitis belt, to introduce this vaccine into their routine immunization programs.
The government has set up, like other countries in the world, of course with assistance from the WHO, a technical body called the Technical Advisory Group on Vaccination. It decides and advises the government and our politicians on the introduction of all new vaccine molecules in the country, and in partnership with other partners who intervene in the field of vaccination. I mean UNICEF, WHO, the World Bank, Gavi, and the Bill Gates Foundation, who have all attended the various dialogues since the development of the training modules and the terms of reference for the introduction of the MENA vaccine in Guinea. All those were also the subjects of dialogue established during the consultative debate which was organized by Gavi in 2019.
For the success of this study, the Health and Sustainable Development Foundation and its Center of Excellence for Training and Research on Priority Diseases in Guinea set up a steering committee to identify the opportunities and challenges of integrating the integrated vaccination campaign.
Notre institution a soumis ce projet de recherche.
Our institution submitted this research project, of which I am the principal investigator, in order to understand the limiting factors, the constraints, the factors favoring the integration of campaigns from pre-campaign planning until implementation, including capturing the perceptions, community buy-ins to these integrated campaigns.
Y compris les perceptions, l'adhésion des communautés, ces campagnes intégrées.
C'est l'implication, n'est-ce pas, des acteurs.
It is the participation of these actors involved in the process. These are executives at the health district level, whether at the DRS, DPS, the peripheral level, and the administrative authorities, but also the involvement of the community.
Il faut aussi l'implication, n'est-ce pas, de la communauté.
It is a team made up of 2 people who go to the targeted localities. The process consists of going door to door to assess the acceptability of the vaccine and especially the involvement of the community in the implementation of the integrated campaign.
Donc nous avons visité 5 centres de santé et nous avons eu la chance là également d'interviewer l'ensemble des acteurs.
We visited 5 health centers where we interviewed all the actors at the level of the community and at the level of health structures, people who are involved in the process of integrating the campaigns into the planning process. We met the head of centers and their teams, the vaccination staff, the local elected officials, the administrative authorities, and also the social mobilizers. We were in the households of the 5 health districts that were chosen, and we sampled 20 households per health district, which gave us a total of 100 households that were surveyed. I think it is a real one, a success.
100 ménages qu'on a enquêté, on a posé des questions et je pense que c'est un vrai succès.
In the sub-prefecture of Balandu, as in all the other localities visited by our team, the observation is the same. FOSAD agents knock on residents' door to collect information on the 2 deadly diseases, measles and meningitis, which are invading the region. On site, a community guide is made available to agents. Its mission is to facilitate communication and understanding with the community.
My job is to educate families, informing them that the coming vaccine is of paramount importance for their children. This vaccine will be there for the well-being of all, so they should not refuse welcoming the vaccination staff, since this vaccine combats the epidemics which are invading the region. The introduction of this vaccine will help us eradicate these deadly diseases that are on the rise. My role is to inform citizens of the arrival of the vaccination staff. The imams and local authorities are our focal points. They are the ones who help us relay information by raising awareness among the mothers. Before, the agents could visit some families to find that they have gone to the fields. So combining the 2 vaccines will be very good for the population.
Faced with these 2 deadly diseases, community leaders pass on the benefits of vaccination to the populations concerned.
Mon rôle d'abord c'est procéder à la sensibilisation.
My role is to sensitize my population, to popularize the importance of vaccination for my population. If there are any reticence, I ask them the reason for the refusal. Some say that each time we let our children be vaccinated, they get temperature. I think it is an issue of ignorance. The state cannot authorize the vaccination knowing that it is not good. If we do it, it is because it is good for the people.
Le moment aussi est propice parce que nous sommes la saison pluvieuse.
The time is right since it is the season during which diseases are spreading. So, combining the 2 vaccines is a good thing. We, the local elected officials, our concern is for the community. Anything that comes in the name of this community is welcome.
L'autorité est là pour tenir informé.
The authority is there to inform, to educate, to convene the local elected officials and their membership to broaden the information content, to provide them with information on the importance of vaccination. People will understand since the children of some have been affected. This is why we understand the importance of this awareness.
In this savanna region, epidemics occur during the dry season from December to June and stop during the rainy season. Infants, children, and young adults are at greatest risk of infection.
La vaccination est le seul moyen pour le moment.
Vaccination is the only way for the moment to prevent all epidemic diseases. The benefit is that it will allow us to reduce the death rate from meningitis and measles. During the dry season, especially in the mining areas with the hot sun, generally there are epidemics of meningitis. So the advantage is to provide vaccination coverage at all levels.
Notre avis, vraiment, l'intégration sera salutaire.
In my opinion, integration will be beneficial because with meningitis and measles, the community finds a positive impact in the eradication of these diseases.
The introduction of the MenA vaccine against meningitis in health centers aims to eradicate these deadly diseases which constitute a real public health problem. This new meningitis vaccine is for children from 0 to 15 months, and vaccine activities should extend over a period of 2 years.
À partir de ce lancement, les enfants seront conduits au centre de santé dès qu'ils atteindront 15 mois.
From this launch, the children will be taken to the health centers as soon as they reach 15 months. Vaccination is done by injection. It is free and without danger for the population. We invite parents to take the targeted children to the health centers for their vaccination. Vaccination is the safest strategy to fight meningitis. Health workers will take all necessary measures to ensure the required safety of vaccination.
As part of its effort to eliminate deadly epidemics, the Meningitis and Measles Vaccines Project has developed an affordable vaccine against these two epidemics.
Entre 2005 et 2014,
Between 2005 and 2014, Guinea experienced several epidemic episodes of meningitis. The country, like other countries in the Africa region, is planning to introduce MENA with a view of solving the increase in the numbers of susceptible children and thus making it possible to ward off meningitis epidemics.
C'est la vaccination qui a fait que la rougeole a...
It is the vaccination which made possible that the measles decreased considerably, and as for the meningitis, there were times when there were many deaths. It is so important that integration of this campaign will lower the rate of these two diseases which bother our children a lot in this prefecture.
In a system where resources are scarce, integration is a good strategy for technical and financial pooling, according to the country's health authorities.
L'intégration est une stratégie.
Integration is a strategy that we appreciate. It is part of the objectives of management unit to be much more efficient and the pooling between several strategies and funding. We have experimented the bundling of programs. Before, there were about 20 programs. Today, we have 7. And when we take just the program to fight the neglected diseases, there were 10 before, and today it is a single program in a single building with the same resources. I think that if we do this integration at the level of vaccination campaigns, it will be economically and technically very profitable, because instead of visiting the same people several times, it will reduce the enormous time that we take in consideration of the community, because if a person has 2 types of vaccination at the same time, it is paid only once. Whereas if we did it separately, we would be paying it many times.
Ça va aussi réduire le temps énorme que nous prenons au niveau de la communauté.
Lorsque le programme de lutte contre le palu s'associe au programme de lutte par exemple des maladies non transmissibles,
when the malaria control program is associated with non-communicable diseases, we have operating methodologies that are not necessarily the same. So we must be able to come together to agree and have a common conception of how we are going to put the activities there on the ground. When you have common targets, it is easier to integrate. But when we have different targets, it increases the effective workload of the agents who have to do it in the field. In addition to that, the logistics must be well organized, since integrating 2 programs can cause activities to be out of phase. So, it is among other challenges to which we must agree.
des déphasages sur la mise en œuvre des activités. Donc ce sont entre autres les défis auxquels il faut s'accorder.
To achieve this objective, the Health Campaign Effectiveness Foundation and Global Health Take Care Force are among other partners who have supported FOSAD carrying out this case study project in Guinea, particularly in the Kanking region.